Hi everyone, I present to you Docupilot, an AI automated documentation generator. No one should feel lost on their first day. We believe documentation should teach, not intimidate. Therefore, we as a Vibe coders feel that documentation is very important. AI automated documentation generator is a system that uses AI to automatically generate clear, structured, and up-to-date documentation directly from code bases. The key benefit of this is it reduces manual effort, speeds up onboarding, and keeps documentation accurate across the development lifecycle. With repository integration, auto-generated documentation, intelligent search, and role-based views, Docupilot makes documentation effortless and boosts productivity for developers and non-developers alike. Before we go deeper, let's talk about the problem. Why there is no code-based documentation? So let's meet Adam. He's a senior developer with 5 years of experience. His job is to code, fix bugs, review pull requests, and yes, write documentation. And that's the pain point. Documentation today is manual, which developers have to copy code, explain APIs, repeat the work, and that steals time away from coding. Second, there's no personalized assistant, which developer either depend on others or waste hours figuring things out themselves. And worst of all, documentation is decentralized. It's scattered across GitHub, Confluence, Google Docs, Notion, and making developers jump between platforms just to find an answer. All of this will lead to slow onboarding, wasted time, and makes developers frustrated. This is our Docupilot. The objective of this Docupilot is to help senior developer automate the generation of structured code documentation. Therefore, it is automatically accelerate developer onboarding and improve knowledge sharing. So how do we solve Adam's problem? With Docupilot, developers don't have to write documentation from scratch anymore. It reads your online repository and generates clear, structured documentation instantly, saving time and eliminating errors. All projects live in one centralized knowledge base, so no more digging through Slack or Confluence. Everything is transparent, consistent, and accessible. And with our AI assistant, developers can simply type a prompt to update docs or even get instant context-aware answer to code questions. Perfect for onboarding juniors and reducing dependency on seniors. In short, Docupilot makes documentation effortless, personalized, and centralized. The core process of our Docupilot consists of EITSS, is, which consists of extract, interpret, transform, store, and share. As for now, this is our tech stack for our prototype that we have successfully built. And this is our future tech stack that we want to implement in the next stage. Our journey to this point has been a focused by 7-step process. We started with team formation and learning. After that, we completed deep research and defined our planning and requirements. In weeks 3 and 4, we moved into the building phase and conducted testing and validation. As part of this step, I conducted an interview with developers during my internships. We are now in the product development phase, which will run from September 15th to October 31st. Finally, we will focus on optimization and continuous improvement.
Alright, now I will demonstrate some main core features that Docupilot offers. Firstly, we need to try add a GitHub repository by filling in the project name and also the URL, and then click add. So now Docupilot will scan the code base to generate a complete documentation. Once it's done, now user can edit the documentation manually or do a custom modification by type their request here. Now, as you can see, the project documentation has been updated successfully based on the request. Now on the right hand side, user can use AI chat assistance to get a quick answer regarding the projects. And there we go, we get the clear explanations of the answer with neutral language. And last but not least, user can export the documentations either in PDF or Markdown file and store it in local device.